Hi, Sridevi.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Sridevi. It's just a feedback interview. First of all, congrats for your placements, Sridevi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
Myself, Sridevi. Basically, I'm from Chitradurga. I have completed my graduation from GM Institute of Technology, Davangere. Currently, I'm pursuing CACM course at CMTI, Bangalore, and I have completed my pre-university course at Mahesh College, Chitradurga itself.
Okay. How did you get to know CMTI?
Through one of my friend, ma'am, he is in previous batch. He suggested that to gain practical knowledge, CMTI is the best option.
Okay. What and all you learned in CMTI? The courses, syllabus, and all.
Even though we have completed for 4 years theoretical knowledge, we don't have any practical knowledge. So I joined CMTI, and here I learned concepts like BBS, that means bar bending schedule, QS, and some concepts regarding interior. And every weekend we used to have separate classes regarding interior or QS.
Okay. Then how was the trainer, Sridevi? How was their approach during the sessions, site visits, and all?
Everything was good, and they were like friends. They were like more than friends, like with us, so that we can ask our doubts, and they'll clear it at that point itself. They won't drag that, and we'll be getting clarified regarding all our doubts and all. And coming to site visits, it's a best thing that CMTI is giving us, so that we can gain knowledge in site itself, and we can clear our doubts. More than theoretical, we are getting a practical knowledge from CMTI.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
When we are missing any classes due to some issues, we can gain our knowledge through CMTA app itself, so that wherever we are there, we can access and we can learn the things.
Okay. Then how was your interview process? How did you crack the interview?
We had a CMTA CACM course for 2 months. In that, I took interior course that was for 45 days, and it was our mentor was Abhilash sir. He guided us in such a manner that he used to conduct every week or for every concept he used to conduct a test. And finally, he conducted one test, and the last round was an interview test. That too, HR round.
Okay. Then what about CMTI staff? How was their coordination during the placements and all?
Yeah, it's too good, man. So that any doubts or any like issues is there, we can clarify with them.
Okay. What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
The same thing, if you want to gain practical knowledge, join like these courses, so that your career will be developed how you think like that.
Okay. Yeah, Sridevi, thanks for your feedback and congrats once
Right.
again and all the best for your future. Thank you, Sridevi.
Thank you.